Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Avi and I am a PhD student in the field of biology. Today's topic is going to be about the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, and it looks something like this, and it is my favorite go-to cleanser of all time. The best thing about CeraVe is that on the packaging of the bottle you can see that they have mentioned what kind of skin texture or else a skin type it has been formulated for. So CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is for a dry to very dry skin which is very sensitive, and yes, I have a very dry and sensitive skin, and as I live in a very cold place I tend to lose moisture from my skin and it gets very dry. And that's why I love CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, because it's not at all, harsh on your skin. It gently removes all the dirt and excess oil from your skin, leaving it squeaky clean, and you can just top it up with the serum and some facial oils, and that is it. I have been using CeraVe Cleanser for quite some time, and I think so it has been more than 2 years, and I have been very loyal to this cleanser. I had a very major skin problem because I had a cyst acne and I needed some cleanser that was really gentle, and I really wanted to get rid of that one single cyst acne which was on my cheek. And I came to know that I was using multiple foaming cleansers with perfumes in it, and that is why my skin was reacting, and I needed something that was gentle and does its job perfectly. All the ingredients in CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser are dominated by the humectants and also with the emollients and some mild surfactants. And my favorite is the ceramides, which is like the building block of your skin barrier. And without ceramides, your skin won't have the strength. It won't have the tightening effect which makes you look younger. And if the ceramides lack, if your skin cannot produce ceramides, that is when you start to look very aged and your skin starts to loosen up and it starts to fall apart. And that is why CeraVe and the ceramides, like the brand itself, CeraVe stands for ceramides, because I don't know, CeraVe brand, it buys a lot of ceramides and keeps it with themselves, I think so. And that is why they come up with such amazing products. I think almost all the products of CeraVe have all the basic ingredient as ceramides. And that is very important to keep your skin barrier function properly and make you look much more youthful and beautiful and flawless. So basically, if you are going through the ingredient list of any product or as any cosmetic that you are buying out in the market, you need to see the first 5 ingredients mentioned behind the bottle or else the packaging. And the first 5 ingredients are the dominating ingredients in the whole product. So the ingredient list of CeraVe has 5 major dominating ingredients, and the first one is aqua, which is the base of any cosmetics that you are trying to make, and then is the glycerin, which is a humectant, as it kind of holds water and gives moisture to your skin. So the 4th ingredient is the PEG 40 stearate, which is a very gentle surfactant. It is naturally derived and it helps to remove all the dirt and excess oil from your skin. The list continues and it has the ceramides in it, and all the 3 ceramides that they have mentioned is very important for the proper functioning of your skin. And then there is cholesterol, which is also kind of an oil. It is kind of a fatty layer that helps to retain the moisture in your skin. If you see the different ingredients mentioned in this product, it is all for the people who have dry skin. Links to buy this product are been mentioned in the description below. Make sure that you check it out and help yourself. The next ingredient mentioned here is the sodium hyaluronate, which is the hyaluronic acid. So what is a hyaluronic acid? It is also a humectant. So basically it helps to retain the moisture into your skin to make it look much more hydrated. When you try to use this cleanser on your skin, you will see that your skin doesn't feel dry. And try to use a foaming cleanser and see the skin after using the foaming cleanser. You will see that your skin feels a bit dry. But this hydrating cleanser is formulated in such a way that you won't feel dry even after washing your face. And that is why this is one of the top rated cleansers for normal to dry skin or very dry skin types. So this product has also been accepted by the National Eczema Association. So eczema is a severe skin condition where you have very irritated skin, it is very dry, and it is very prone to infections. And in this case also you can use hydrating cleanser, and that is why it is like the best. And I love it. I personally love this cleanser. I cannot replace it with some other cleanser. I am so honest to it, so loyal to it, so dedicated to this cleanser that I cannot stop using it. And my personal opinion is that it is really good for the dry skin types, and if you fall into that category, you should give it a try and see if it really works out for you. At last, the amazing thing about this product is that it is non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog your pores. If you are trying to clean it, you will see that your pores are also getting rid of all the residue of the surfactant and oils that are present in it, but it will not clog your pores and hence will not lead to pimple or acne formation. And that is why this product has been formulated with the dermatologist and is been rated as one of the gentle cleansers which anyone can use. At last, I would like to conclude by saying is that this cleanser is the best, and if you guys are using it, try to be very consistent and you can see the results. And if you are using it on a very irritated skin, it is still fine. And I'm not trying to give any sort of advice, I'm just trying to help you out to understand why this product is so good and why is everyone talking about it. And I personally love this product, and I think that you should also give it a try. And that is it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I really appreciate all the support that I get from you guys. Thank you very much. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye guys.